Ever wished your AI gadget could do more than gap? What if it could notice the world around it and spring into action like a smart reflex? That's exactly what agent triggers on the Tuya AI Cloud Developer Platform deliver. Whenever a condition you set is met, your device wakes up its agent and fires off a reminder, perform an action, or starts a chat. Let's dive in. First part is the demo highlight. Please check out this pocket-sized AI box built on the TuyaOpen open source framework. You can see inside are a T5-AI development board here, and a temperature humidity sensor, and a 3D print enclosure, and an LED display. It already chats with you, but it also doubles as a Pomodoro timer and keeps an eye on room conditions. When the temperature or humidity hit your limits or the timer dims, it instantly turns into a polite and sometimes cheeky AI butler and talks first.
How about trying a fun experiment? Let's make a list of all the items.
And here's a hands-on tutorial. First step, create a trigger rule. You can log into the Tuya AI Cloud Developer Platform and pick function point trigger. Set temperature plus and equals 30 degrees centigrade and choose as trigger or continuous trigger. Limit active hours, daytime only, silent and night. You are in full control. And step 2, bind a trigger action. Open My Agents, select your agent, then jump into triggers. Add a device event trigger, linking it into the temperature rule you just made. Now the fun part is here, and you can write a custom prompt so the AI speaks in a voice that matches your product vibe. For example, it will say, "Ooh, it's getting toasty in here. How about cooling things down?" And you can drop in dynamic variables. Device data, user name, agent persona to create a personalized line every time. And here's the step 3, simulate and test. You can just hit and play. You will hear the agent respond instantly, no physical device needed. Iteration speed, rough dive. You only need one core instruction, say the temperature is too high. Remind the user to turn on the AC. The Tuya prompt agent will write it automatically for any character. Persona might be, for example, Mickey Mouse. It will say,
"Oh boy, it sounds like the heat is quite the challenge today. Gosh, feeling warm can sure be tough."
And if there's a Tony Stark, it will say,
"I'm almost fainting from the heat. Please buy me an ice cream to cool down. Iron Man is already very hot."
So no extra scripting. Each voice stays perfectly in character. If you want a productivity notch, set a trigger on a switch type DP, your Pomodoro countdown. When the timer flips from on to off, fire this.
"Master, you have been working for 25 minutes. Get up and move around to relax."
Again, Mickey Mouse, Holmes, or Stark will say it in their own way automatically. Agent triggers make everything feel alive, ready to give your hardware real intuition. Head over to Tuya AI Cloud Developer Platform and bring your next smart device to life. Remember, when you build AI hardware, build it with Tuya.